Hi everyone and welcome back, and today we are about to learn how to change currencies on Shopify store. So this is quite simple. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. First, what we need to do is simply head over to our sales channels section, and from there we need to head over to online store. Once we are there, you need to see that we have this preferences section. Head over to preferences, and if you scroll a little bit down, you can see we have various options in here. Now to add different type of languages, actually you can do one more thing, that you need to head over to your settings, and once you are there you need to head over to your market. So basically we can add different markets, like for example currently the US primary market is added, and if you want to add different currencies you need to add different markets as well. Like for example, click on add market. If you want to choose like for example any other region, you can do that and check on that, and easily it will be added onto your store, and that will also be adding different currencies. So yeah, make sure to give it a try. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. That is it for this video, guys, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.